Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can create HMRC account using HMRC application. The process is very simple. First of all, make sure that you've already downloaded this application. You can easily get it in your Play Store. Simply search for HMRC and you will have it. Now launch your application. You will see your interface like this. You can allow notification if you would like. Now here, tap on more options. If you do not see the option of sign up, simply tap on sign in. It will take you to a web page like this via your application. Now here, select create new sign-in details if you do not have an account. So before you create an account, here are some questions that you need to answer. If you are a tax agent, select yes. If not, select no, then tap continue. And likewise, it says, are you accessing HMRC services as a business or organization? You may go ahead, choose your option, and then tap on continue. Now here, simply type in the email address. It says this will only be used to send you security updates or if you need to recover your sign-in details. So make sure that you type in the email address which you have access to and then tap on continue. Now at the next page, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt. Make sure that you give every details correctly and then you will have your account created. Thank you for watching.